Okay, it's been 2 days, about 48 hours, a little more. And it's real bright and sunny, but still windy. And there is the broken block. I ran my 4-inch angle grinder with a masonry disc on it. You can't tell that it was broken and repaired. It will blend in nicely. And what I'm doing is I got some old Zinsser primer. I'm just going to prime this up real quick. This is probably the wrong primer for this, but I don't care. If you are a professional painter, you would care. But this is just to seal the block. This is a small area, and I've only got maybe 1 inch in the can. So why not? This is just to fill the voids, make it smooth. It's not my grandmother's living room, ladies and gentlemen. It's a garage, all right? It's a carport. I'm not here to win a beauty contest. I'm not here for validation from the professionals. I'm a DIY guy doing it my way because it's my project. Now I'm going to put about 2 more coats of latex acrylic to blend it in with the other 12 layers of paint from 1957. Like it never happened. Now if this was a whole wall, I would be using a paint roller, probably an 18-inch paint roller. But this is just a small project. And I've only got a little bit in a can left. I don't have a whole gallon. I'm just going to break out a brush and hop to it because I'm a brush guy. I'm a brush-aholic. I'm going to let this dry for about 6 hours according to the directions on the can. My humidity has dropped to about 80%. The temperature is about 80 degrees, so we'll be good to go. And that is how I paint. A hobby, okay? I'm a hobbyist. I'm not a professional painter. I never claimed to be a professional painter. I used to be at one time, but not now. Thank y'all for watching. And as always, y'all are so much appreciated. It is really windy out here today. I'm having a bad hair day. So, but this is just a can of old paint. It's an exterior flat. And I'm going to use this for the sole purpose of adding coverage, some thickness, and cover up the holes in the cement. Because the old paint's got like 5 or 6 layers to it, half a dozen. So I'm just going to add some layers of paint so it won't look like a new block. Now I'll do this maybe 2 or 3 times because it dries really fast. And it's water thin. I'm just going to blend this in. Then I'll find the bucket that's got the real color that I need and probably put 2 coats on that and feather it in. You'll never know that this patch ever happened. Alright, thank y'all for watching. That's some kind of paint, I don't know. I know it's hard to see, but I put in some drywall compound where I peeled off some of the paint, really thick paint, and feathered that out so it's more even. Alright, let's get on to the finishing touches here. Call this bad boy done. Okay, I'm using my 3-inch Purdy brush. I favor Purdy and Worcester. So we're just going to slather this up real good. And remember, it's my carport, alright? It's a garage, it's not my grandmother's living room. We're just going to slather some paint on. Get it into the creaks and crevices and cracks and knots and holes. If you're a professional mason, you can probably point out a dozen things that I did wrong or different than the way you would do it. But this is a hobby, okay? It's not a professional mason job in someone else's home. This is my home that I'm getting ready to sell. And now that I've got this hole in the wall removed, I can install a garage door and make it more appealing to the buyer's market. Then it'll have a closed-in garage. And it's a car and a half. It's not a 2-car garage, it's not a 1-car garage, it's a car and a half. And that's where we did the drywall patch. And look at there. So if you ever want to do a small patch of blending in where you remove something, put some drywall compound in. And there you go, boys and girls. We're done. We are done. 30 years ago, I could have done this in one day. But I'll be 78 in June, just a few weeks away, and I am feeling every day of it. I'm 78 years old. I'm wore out. But I like painting. I like painting, I really do. I've been painting stuff since I was 8 years old. There's an airport about a mile down the road from me, and they've got a flight school, and they fly all day long, and I am right in their path of making the U-turn, left-hand turn for their circle. All right, done. Okay, let's take a look here from the distance and see what we got. Well, that's where the patch was, the hole was. Done. I hope it looks good. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. You're very much appreciated. And I hope y'all have a blessed day.